Welcome back. Today also I have included 3 CBSE board exam questions. First of that is, if the roots of the equation x square plus 2cx plus ab equal to 0 are real and unequal, prove that the equation x square minus 2 into a plus bx plus a square plus b square plus 2c square equal to 0 has no real roots. There are 2 quadratic equations. First equation, it is given that x square plus 2cx plus ab equal to 0 has real and unequal roots. What is the meaning of that? Or when does it happen? It happens when the discriminant d is greater than or greater than 0. Now, what is d? D, as you know, it is b square minus 4ac. D is equal to b square minus 4ac. Since there are 2 quadratic equations, I am taking this one as d1. Since here it has real and unequal roots, d1 should be greater than 0. That is, b square minus 4ac should be greater than 0. Therefore, what is d1? B square. Here you check ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. That is the general formula of quadratic equation. If you compare that, ax square, a is 1, b is 2c, and c is ab. So, b square minus 4ac, b's position is 2c. So, 2c the whole square minus 4 into a's position is 1 into c's position is ab. That should be greater than 0. Opening this, you are getting 4c square minus 4ab is greater than 0. You can cancel 4 throughout, so you are getting c square minus ab is greater than 0. Let us take this as the first equation. Now, second part of the question says this particular quadratic equation has no real roots that you are supposed to prove. How can it be done? It is to prove that discriminant of this is less than 0, that is negative. Since already you have taken d1 as the discriminant of first equation, here let us take d2 as the discriminant. We know d2, that is discriminant, always it is b square minus 4ac. So you have to find out what is b here. B is, instead of bx, what is here? Minus 2 into a plus b. So therefore b is minus 2 into a plus b. And we require b square, that is minus 2 into a plus b whole square. B square is this one minus 4ac, 4 into a's position. See this one? X square means 1x square. A is 1 into what is c? This entire thing. That is a square plus b square plus 2c square. Now opening this, minus 2 square becomes 4 into a plus b whole square, that is a square plus 2ab plus b square, minus this becomes 4 into this bracket, open 4a square minus 4b square minus 8c square. Again opening this one, you are getting 4a square plus 8ab plus 4b square minus 4a square minus 4b square minus 8c square. Can see 4a square minus 4a square cancels, 4b square minus 4b square cancels. So you are getting it is equal to 8ab minus 8c square. That is equal to, you can see 8 can be taken as common, 8 into ab minus c square. You have already seen from this equation something similar, ab and c square. You can see only thing is that here it is c square minus ab, here it is ab minus c square. So if you want to convert this into this, you can do by taking minus sign outside. So it becomes minus 8. If you are taking minus outside, this reverses, that becomes c square minus ab. So minus 8 into c square minus ab. We already know c square minus ab is greater than 0. That means it is a positive value. So therefore this is equal to minus 8 into positive value, which means this becomes negative. That therefore d2 is negative. D2 is negative means this equation has no real roots. Now the second question. You are given a quadratic equation here. You have to solve this by factorization method. As you know, in factorization method, you have to find two numbers whose sum is this one minus 2 root 2 and the product is root 3 into minus 2 root 3. So sum should be minus 2 root 2 and product should be root 3 into minus 2 root 3, that is equal to root 3 and root 3 becomes 3 into minus 2 becomes minus 6. As I had already mentioned in the previous videos, that is, it is easier to find the two numbers by factorization of the product, that is minus 6. Minus 6 is equal to, this is 3 into 2 and it is minus of 3 into 2. Now we require 2 root 2. So in your sum there should be root 2. So what do you do? This is changed as 3 into root 2 into root 2. So that is minus 3 root 2 into root 2. If you are adding this minus 3 root 2 and plus root 2, you will get minus 2 root 2. If you are multiplying this, you will get minus 6. So the numbers are minus 3 root 2 and root 2. Now take this equation, 3 root 3 x square, and this minus 2 root 2x you rearrange like this, minus 3 root 2x plus root 2x minus 2 root 3 equal to 0. Now from this you can see root 3x square, this 3 can be changed as root 3 into root 3 into root 2x plus root 2x minus, from here it is root 2 into root 2 into root 3 equal to 0. See the two terms here and two terms here, take common. You can see root 3 is common here, okay, root 3, then x is common, x into root 3x square, so already root 3x is taken outside, remaining is x, minus root 3 and x are taken, remaining is root 3 into root 2, that is root 6, plus from here you can see root 2 is common, root 2 into what is remaining, x. From here root 2 is taken outside, remaining is root 2 into root 3, that means minus root 6 equal to 0. Compare these two terms, you can see x minus root 6 is common. X minus root 6 is taken outside, remaining is root 3x plus root 2 is equal to 0. First factor can be 0 or second factor can be 0. First factor, x minus root 6 equal to 0 or root 3x plus root 2 equal to 0. So therefore from here you are getting x is equal to root 6 or here root 3x equal to shift it minus root 2 or x is equal to minus root 2 divided by root 3, that is equal to minus of root 2 by 3. Now see the third question. It is given on the board. Find the value of p if this particular quadratic equation has equal roots. Hence find the roots of the equation. Given p not equal to minus 1. You forget about the condition, because if p is minus 1, then this p plus 1 will become 0. So therefore this will not be a quadratic equation. That is why. Now it is given this equation, quadratic equation has equal roots. What does it mean? The discriminant is equal to 0. That is, if a quadratic equation has equal roots, discriminant will be 0. That is, b square minus 4ac term will be equal to 0. What is b square minus 4ac? You see the quadratic equation. This is actually the general formula is ax square minus bx plus c equal to 0. So a is p plus 1, b is this one minus 6 into p plus 1, and c is this one 3 into p plus 9. So b square minus 4ac equal to 0. So what is b square? This is b, so b square is minus 6 into p plus 1 the whole square, b square minus 4 into, what is a? 4ac, 4 into a is p plus 1 into c is this one, that is into 3 into p plus 9. Therefore, this is equal to 0. Therefore, if you open this, minus 6 square becomes 36 into p plus 1 whole square minus 4 into 3 becomes 12 into p plus 1 into p plus 9 equal to 0. If you see, there are two numbers that can be taken common. See, 36 and 12, 12 is common. P plus 1 whole square, and here p plus 1 is there. Therefore, you can cancel throughout, divide with p plus 1 and 12. So, dividing throughout with 12 and p plus 1. Here also 12 and p plus 1. So, right side 0 divided by 12 into p plus 1, that is 0. Now, you can see 1 p plus 1 will be cancelled, 12 3s are. Here 12 will be cancelled, p plus 1 will be cancelled. And the equation becomes 3 into p plus 1 minus p plus 9 equal to 0, which means opening 3 into p plus 1, 3p plus 3 minus p minus 9 equal to 0, equal to 0. 3p minus p becomes 2p plus 3 minus 9 becomes minus 6 equal to 0, which means 2p equal to 6 or p equal to 6 divided by 2, that is equal to 3. So you got p is equal to 3. Now this value you have to apply in the equation and find the value of x. So you got p is equal to 3. So you got p equal to 3. This quadratic equation, p plus 1x square minus 6 into p plus 1x plus 3 into p plus 9 equal to 0 can now be rearranged because p is already known. P is 3, so this becomes 3 plus 1, that is 4x square, minus again p plus 1 is 4, 4 into 6, 24x, plus p plus 9, that is 3 plus 9, 12, 12 into 3, 36 equal to 0. Throughout cancel with 4, you are getting x square minus 6x plus 9 equal to 0. This is exactly x minus 3, x minus 3 the whole square equal to 0. Why? You see a minus b whole square formula, x square, a square minus 2 into 3 into x, that is minus 6x plus 3 square 9. So therefore this is nothing but x minus 3 the whole square. Therefore you are getting x minus 3 equal to 0 or x is equal to 3. That is it for the day. Thanks for watching the video. If you liked the video, please subscribe, like and share. Thank you.